Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to sign up on the Bitget mobile app and complete all the essential verification steps. Let's jump straight into it. First, I'll show you how to create your Bitget account. Please install the Bitget app on your smartphone. After installing the app, open the Bitget application. To start registering, tap on the Get Started button. You can register using either your email or your phone number. Then, tap on the referral code input section. If you enter the referral code *3, you will receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and additional rewards. Now, check all the required agreement boxes below. For the second agreement, please scroll down to read the details. Then tap Next. Follow the icons shown in the top left corner in order. Then, select the corresponding images shown on your screen. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once this is done, your account registration is complete. Secondly, let's proceed with identity verification. Identity verification is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget. So please make sure to complete it. Tap the Verify button in the center of the screen. Then tap Verify Now again. First, choose your nationality. After that, choose your current country or region of residence. Next, select the type of ID you want to submit. Choose one from the list that you have available. For this example, I will choose passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your document, tap Take a picture. Align your passport information page within the frame. Next, complete the facial recognition step. Position your face within the frame. Then follow the instructions such as blinking or nodding. After completing these steps, your verification request will be submitted. The review process usually takes about 1 hour. Once approved, your account status will change to verified. Third, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator for better security. Return to the main home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner. Go to the security section to manage your settings. From the list, select Google Authenticator. A prompt will appear asking you to install the app. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After installation, tap Next in the Bitget app. You will now see the setup screen. On this page, you will see a 16-digit Bitget setup key. First, copy this 16-digit key. Then open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Then choose Enter as setup key. For the code name, enter Bitget. After that, paste the 16-digit key you copied into your key field. Tap Add. A 6-digit verification code labeled Bitget will now appear. Copy this 6-digit verification code. Return to the Bitget app. Enter the code into the verification field. Once verified, the setup is complete. Today, we covered the full process of registering and securing your Bitget account using the latest 2026 app version. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching.